Okay, so we are now on the most common statistical test. So the first common statistical test is the descriptive statistics or descriptive analytics. So when do we use descriptive analytics? When the data is asking for percentages, okay, frequency counts, means, weighted mean, rank. So we make use of descriptive analytics. So just merely counting the number of participants in that data that we want to get. Okay, so for example, if the question is, or the statistical question is, what is the profile of the participants in terms of sex, age, the initial body mass index, okay, the interpretation, and the final body mass index of the participants. So here we have four variables that we want to count. Okay, we have the sex, the age, the initial, and the final BMI. So let's try to open a data or the file on weight. So let's open a data on weight management on SPSS. Okay, so this is a sample data for weight management. Okay, so here we have the age, the sex, the frequency of fitness session, the height, the weight, the initial BMI, the interpretation. But the first question a while ago is that we want to determine the weight of the sex rather of the participants. Okay, we want to count how many of them are male or how many of them are female. So just click analyze, okay, and then click frequency, okay, and then we want to know their sex. Okay, just click sex and then we move the sex on the testing variable. Okay, just click the arrow. Okay, here we can also get some data here like charts. Okay, we can also create chart like pie chart. Then just click continue and then click OK. Okay, just wait for the moment, and now this is the result of the data. So you notice that here there are 18 are female and 21 are female. Okay, so 18 are male while 21 are female, and the output also provides the graph, okay, of the data. Okay, so the next thing to do is that we want to interpret our data. So if this is now our output, so let's try to interpret it. Okay, so the table shows the profile of the participants in terms of sex. So it can be seen on the table that 18 or 46.2% are male, while 21 or 53.8% are female. So it can be shows that most of the participants in the weight management activity are female. And also, of course, we have also to include some of information that could that could support our study. Okay, so it says here, so we craft some journals that could support our study on gender differences in exercise habits and quality of life reports by Kraft, Carroll, and Lustig. Okay, so results reveal that women reportedly significant higher exercise and quality of life levels are men. So that this information supported our data that most of our participants are female. Okay, women reportedly exercising for weight loss and toning more than men, whereas men reportedly exercising for enjoyment more than women. So this is information that could support our study. Okay, so let's try another data that we want to count. Okay, the initial interpretation of BMI. So let's get a data here. So let's get a data here in the SPSS. So we want to count participants. How many of them are normal, obese, overweight. So just click analyze again. Then we choose descriptive statistics, then frequency counts, and then we remove the sex, we move on the other side, and then initial BMI, initial interpretation. Okay, just click on the arrow. Of course, we want we try bar charts also. Okay, continue. Then just click OK. Then wait for the moment. Wait for a moment, and then okay. So this is the results. Okay. So we know. So this is the result of our study, or the data, and this is also the chart of our data. So now we try to interpret again the data. Okay. So the table shows the initial weight of the participants before the weight management activity. So it can be from the table that 21 have a normal weight, 11 are overweight, while 7 are obese. So this shows that most of the participants have normal weight before the activity conducted. We have also some studies that would support again of our data. Okay, so according to US National Library of Medicine, regular exercise and physical activity may help you to control your weight, reduce your risk of heart diseases, help your body to manage sugar level, okay, and insulin levels, improve your mental health and mood, reduce your risk of some cancers, and many more. Okay, so that's how we summarize or analyze our data using the descriptive analytics.